The new Innova 55 scrubbing machine is so compact that it can perform where only walk-behind models are normally used, drastically reducing cleaning costs. Once the tank is filled up, the operator can clean in an efficient, easy, fast, and even comfortable way all types of surfaces with complete safety. Innova 55 is ideal for maintenance cleaning of different kind of environments, always guaranteeing high hygiene levels. Its great handiness allows to easily perform all the necessary maneuvers to clean also the tightest spaces. During the transfer from one room to another, the operator can comfortably remain seated since, thanks to its compact dimensions, Innova 55 can pass through doors and enter lifts without any difficulty. Eco Mode is the device developed by Comac that further reduces the noise level to only 54 dB, allowing to perform anywhere, even during daytime hours, without disturbing the people around. Innova 55 quickly cleans any type of surface, and after only one pass, the floor is perfectly clean and dry. The low center of gravity and the proper weight distribution guarantee stability in any situation, even on slopes. The necessary space for reversing is very small, and the new steering wheel, besides favoring maneuvers in tight spaces, is equipped with all function controls, making the machine more user-friendly. Additional accessories have been designed to make the operator work easier, allowing to pick up even small objects without getting off the machine. Also, cleaning along walls is fast and manual operations are not required. Innova 55 is your opportunity to cut costs. Don't lose it.